Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss introducing Microsoft Copilot Studio. Microsoft Copilot Studio offers powerful capabilities and practical use cases for organizations looking to harness AI-driven conversational experiences. What is Microsoft Copilot Studio? Microsoft Copilot Studio is a low-code development platform that empowers users to customize Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 or build standalone AI-powered copilots. It leverages the strength of large language models, LLMs, such as GPT to bring AI to the fingertips of business users, often referred to as information workers, who may not have formal IT or programming backgrounds. Copilot Studio is deeply integrated into the Microsoft Power Platform, offering a graphical interface that allows users to design, test, and publish intelligent agents without needing traditional coding skills. Users can also take advantage of Power FX, a formula-based language designed specifically for the Power Platform. Copilot Studio is the evolution of Power Virtual Agents, PVA, and continues to support integrations like the Azure Bot framework. With Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI, the combination of PVA and GPT has resulted in the modern Microsoft Copilot Studio. Key capabilities of Copilot Studio: GPT integration utilize generative AI for natural language input and output, supporting multimodal formats, text, image, audio. Task automation automate repetitive workflows with intuitive design tools. Performance analytics leverage Microsoft Azure Analytics for bot performance monitoring and optimization. Cognitive services integrate capabilities like real-time translation for multilingual chatbot support. Common use cases: customer support, deploy intelligent agents with built-in escalation workflows and seamless chat experiences. Employee help desk automate HR policy lookups and internal IT queries using external API plugins. Operations process guidance deliver step-by-step workflow assistance to employees through AI-powered guidance, reducing errors and training time. Connect backend systems to provide real-time procedural support and automate task completion. Sales enable lead qualification and data capture through entities, leveraging data hours for relational data handling. Education build AI tutors that adapt to curriculum and student needs. Healthcare implement appointment scheduling and analytics with secure data handling and Power BOE integration. Copilot Studio and Microsoft 365 integration. Copilot Studio integrates smoothly with Microsoft Copilot features across Microsoft 365. Teams generate automatic meeting summaries. PowerPoint find and insert AI-generated images using natural language prompts. Power BOE ask conversational questions about dashboard data. Word generate and format content like resumes or reports. Excel create charts and formulas through text-based commands. Azure plus OpenAI enable advanced scenarios like bulk document translation or summarization. Building a Copilot with Microsoft Copilot Studio. Here's a high-level overview of building and deploying a Copilot. Define the problem. Clearly identify the problem the Copilot should solve. Identify data sources. Determine which data, APIs, or services the Copilot needs. Design dialog flows. Use the visual editor to map out the user interactions. Test and iterate. Continuously test, refine, and improve dialog logic. Deploy. Publish the bot as a REST API endpoint in Azure. Connect through client channels. Monitor and improve. Use analytics for performance tuning and GPT fine-tuning through document uploads and interaction analysis. Microsoft Copilot Studio transforms how businesses build conversational AI by putting generative AI into the hands of business users, enabling a new era of productivity, engagement, and automation. And as you can see, the only thing I did is I navigated to copilotstudio.microsoft.com, and here we are. First of all, at the top, you will get the Copilot experience to create an agent. This is kind of using AI to create an AI agent. In this course, we learn how to do things by hand. This way, you'll understand what the creation experience does after, so we won't focus too much on that. You will see the recent agents you interacted with. You see recently here, I want to modify things in my Copilot for Microsoft 365 extensions. You can see some templates that Copilot Studio provides you. If you go to Create here, you will see, again, you'll have the opportunity to create a new agent. And we'll do that in just a few minutes. Let's leave here, as well as you'll have some templates, some Microsoft provided agents that you can extend to fit your needs. Awesome. After that, if we go to agents here on the left, you'll see your most recent agents that you have. And if you want to extend Copilot for Microsoft 365 or Copilot for Sales, you can always go in here, then click on agents. There are no agents here then. Go to flows. There is a one flow here. I just click on new tool and I select agent flow C here. It will design a flow. Let me click on cancel here. We're not creating anything for now. But this is it for the Copilot Studio interface. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Start your journey today with www.crm1s.com.